My name is Himadri Datta. I am a resident of Vasundhara Enclave, Delhi. He is my son, Shivadri Datta. Actually, my son is a autistic child, and although his age is 19 years, but he cannot express himself. And unfortunately, he was suffering from pain for last 2 months. We could not understand, but somehow before 1 month from now, his teeth was swelling out, and then we rushed to Kailash Hospital. So Dr. Neena Pandeji had kindly checked him, and unfortunately, because he don't understand anything, so he has got a terrible fear from the instruments, from the any actions to be done. So it was decided that he has to be put on anesthesia, and then finally he has to be done all the action in one go. So it is the expertise of Dr. Neena ji, who had checked, and he had done the front teeth root canaling, capping, as well as the filling. So it was a great experience. And then he was stationed in Kailash Hospital, and he was put in anesthesia. We came out successfully. He is smiling with a smiling face. Namaste bolo. So he has excellent work. I express my sincere thanks to the all family of Kailash Hospital, that who had supported me, supported my son who could not speak out. Thank you.
मेरा नाम इप्शिता है एंड ये मेरा भाई है शिवाद्री. ये बचपन से ही ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा है और मेंटली रिटार्डेड बच्चा है. इसको समझ नहीं आता अपना पेन कैसे शेयर करना होता है घर वालों को. तो इसका दांत टूटा था अराउंड 3-4 मंथ्स पहले, एंड वी डिडंट न्यू कि उसका दांत टूटा है. देन कहीं हमें पड़ा हुआ मिला दांत, तो हमें पता चला कि हाँ ये इतने पेन में था इतने महीनों से. सो हम, और जैसे अभी हम पास ही में रहते हैं, तो मुझे कैलाश हॉस्पिटल के बारे में बचपन से पता है, और मैं यहाँ पे बचपन से आ भी रखी हुई हूँ दादू के साथ. और तो हम यहाँ पे फिर डॉक्टर नीना पांडे मैम के पास आए थे फॉर चेकअप. उन्होंने बहुत नाइसली हमें गाइड किया है, एंड एट एवरी स्टेप कैसे प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे हम उसका दर्द कम कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे जो स्टाफ है, जैसे ये बहुत एग्रेसिव हो जाता है जब इसको कुछ फॉरेन चीज़ इस पे लगी होती है, जैसे कैनोला. तो ये बहुत एग्रेसिव हो गया था. तो स्टाफ ने बहुत अच्छे से मेरे को हेल्प किया है रात को उसको संभालने में. तो आई एम रियली लाइक थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, I am Dr. Neena Pandey, Senior Consultant Dental Surgeon at Kailash Hospital, Noida. Here I am to talk about my patient Shivadri Datta, who is an autistic child, doesn't speak, doesn't express what he wants to say. This patient had come to our OPD after consulting 2 or 3 doctors outside our hospital. At that time, he was very aggressive and restless because of severe dental pain. In no way we could manage him in the OPD, so this case had to be done under GA. But considering his autistic mental condition, I was little apprehensive of any post-operative violent behavior of his or any related medical issues. But seeing the persuasive requests of the patient's family, I discussed the case with Dr. Anil Gurnani, our senior intensivist, and I am really thankful to him who gave me the confidence to go ahead with the case, assuring me of taking care of any possible post-operative eventuality. The entire procedure had to be done in one go because there was no scope of recall. All the procedures to be completed and to be done perfectly. Multiple root canals, fitting of prefabricated crowns on them, multiple composite restorations, scaling, all in one go. It was a challenging job, but all our efforts were rewarded when the patient came back to us in our OPD after 3 days, smiling and humming songs. It was a delight to see patient's father's face beaming with joy to see his child painless. I am really thankful to our senior anesthetist, Dr. Poddar, who was there throughout managing the anesthesia part, our senior dental technician, Mr. Amar Singh Rathore, and our dental assistant, Ms. Lakshmi, who helped me in conducting the operation successfully. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.